Here's the Soundtown 4-rack case. I got the case with the top slant rack up here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna assemble my rack mount for live event audio mixing. And the mixer I have is this Yamaha here. This is the Yamaha MG12XU. It's been out for maybe over 10 years now, but this is highly regarded in the live event audio industry. So I thought I'd get one. And in order to fit this on the slant rack up here, you need to get an adapter on the sides. And that's what this is right here, the RK MG12. This is the accessory in order to mount this up here. Now this top little table here, I gotta probably remove that. And then this will screw onto there, which will go right up top here. And then I'm gonna add this guy right here. This is the Furman PL Plus C Classic Series Power Conditioner. And then finally, for 2 racks, I got this right here, which is a drawer. And this is a 2-rack drawer. It's not from Soundtown, it's from another company, but I looked it up and it should be good enough, and I'm gonna put the drawer on the last 2 racks here. Okay, I removed these 3 screws. These things are labeled right and left. And then I thought at first you remove this entire thing, but you don't remove it. Just put the extenders on, right on it. Okay, finally, here it is. Here's what it looks like with everything assembled. Drawer. Drawer opens, closes. I put the Furman right in the middle because I needed more of a gap to put the mixer in. Mixer, 1, 2, 3, 4, those screws, they're in here. And then what's cool about this part on the back is that it raises up so I can lift it. Okay, that's as high as it goes. And then here in the back, put some light, okay, there you go. I have access to all the plugs. Here's this plug for the Yamaha. And then the cables, there's room, I can just tuck it in here. I can just tuck the cables in there, and then when I shut this part here, it will cover it up. And then to bring it down, here's how the system works here. I lift it up, and then it goes down like that. And I could put it all the way down, just like this. But I can also have it slanted up still and be able to put the top on. But I'd rather have it all the way collapsed because this mechanism here, I don't fully trust it as I'm taking this on the road, but this should be good enough. And this is my new mixer case that I'm gonna take on all my DJ or sound jobs. It is heavy, but I think it looks pretty good.